Hello, welcome to Health and Fitness YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to discover the near magical method to lose unwanted belly fat naturally and safely while you sleep. You may eat healthily, exercise regularly, but if you are not getting a sound sleep, then things are not going to look well very soon, and you would be clueless about the reason behind it. Discovered by two cops, Tara and Todd, who as a couple was struggling with weight issues, on their journey to weight loss, the immense importance of sound sleep to maintain healthy body weight is the answer to all your weight issues. The couple shares their experiences and shares the secret to weight loss that they achieved with the guidance of their friend, Dan Garner, in a weight loss program called Eat Sleep Burn. This weight loss program will help you kickstart your body into burning fat and keeping you full of energy all day long. What is the Eat Sleep Burn weight loss program all about? Eat Sleep Burn is a weight loss program, co-created by Dan Garner and Todd Lamb, to help those struggling to lose the excess body weight, despite adopting a healthy routine and doing everything by the book. Sound restorative sleep is very important for our body, for it is then that our body can heal, correct damages, and improve your overall health. When you fail to achieve such sleep, the body starts acting up. There is a decrease in the levels of leptin production, due to which you will receive false hunger alarms, making you unnecessarily eat more food. This food then gets converted and stored as body fat. You will also experience an increase in the levels of ghrelin, also known as the hunger hormone, which leads to hunger pangs and keeps signaling the brain to increase the intake of food. This makes it difficult to diet or control your food habits when your body is constantly sending hunger signals. Then there is cortisol. Low quality of sleep increases the cortisol levels, which increases the body fat deposits, hampers your cognitive abilities, weakens the immune system and bone density, and increases blood pressure and cholesterol. The Eat Sleep Burn aims at inducing a state of deep restorative sleep in your body so that you can naturally fight all the ill effects of disturbed sleep and effectively begin to lose those extra pounds. This program uses a scientific approach to eliminate extra body weight by regulating the production of key hormones. Eat Sleep Burn does not ask of you to make any earth-shattering changes or adopt a specific diet to lose weight. All you need to do is correct your sleep pattern, and you can easily shed those extra pounds. How does Eat Sleep Burn work? Eat Sleep Burn work aims for its users to achieve weight loss by correcting their sleep habits. By getting sufficient hours of restorative sleep, hormonal production is optimized to reduce weight gain and induce weight loss. The program comes with the secret of preparing a sleep tea, which is made by using some easily available ingredients. Before drinking this sleep tea, there is a shutdown sequence proposed which will ensure that post its completion and having consumed the sleep tea, you get sufficient hours of deep restorative sleep. This entire process will not only help you lose the extra pounds but also reduce your appetite, by balancing the hormones in your body. You also learn the Bat Cave method that guarantees a deep restorative sleep. Eat Sleep Burn teaches you the two important rules that are never to be broken when taking a nap. The program further goes on to teach you a simple trick to use so that you can double the amount of fat-burning deep sleep you get every night. It also teaches you how to reduce cancer-causing inflammation in your body without using any medication. This weight loss program will help you learn about the 3 key sleep switches that will make it easy for you to regain your energy and vitality. Eat Sleep Burn will help you to learn to reset your circadian rhythm, so that your body clock is set to instinctively drift off to sleep at the healthiest hour and to wake up without an alarm or any morning grogginess. It also teaches you the way to control the neurotransmitters in your brain that instantly lets you shut out the incessant and anxious thought process and relaxes your mind. The concept behind this weight loss program is to help people improve their sleep quality and hours. Apart from achieving weight loss, Eat Sleep Burn also enhances your energy levels, minimizes the risk of cardiovascular diseases, improves your cognitive abilities, and improves your quality of life in general. In summary, The Eat Sleep Burn program stresses on how sleep plays an essential role in maintaining good health. Sleep deprivation can lead to fatigue and lack of concentration, which eventually affect your quality of life. This weight loss program will teach you how to trigger a permanent weight loss mechanism without having to undergo strict diets, grueling workout sessions, or taking the help of any medicines. It will double your energy levels and put you on the path of a long, healthy, and happy life. Price and refund policy of the Eat Sleep Burn weight loss program. You can purchase your copy of the Eat Sleep Burn weight loss program online from the official website for a great discounted price of $37 only. Along with the weight loss PDF, you also get 3 bonus gifts. 28-Day Metabolic Reset by Dan Garner. Limitless Potential System by Dan Garner. 21 days of free access to Dan Garner's online coaching program. The Eat Sleep Burn program comes with a 60 days refund policy. If you feel that the program is not showing the desired results, you can simply contact the customer support in 60 days and get your money back. To visit the official website of the Eat Sleep Burn system, click the link in the description below. Once again, welcome to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See ya!